Welcome again and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Once again, Spice hosted her back to school event, and I can tell you it was a major success once more. We saw hundreds of fans turning out. When we return, we'll have some highlights of this to bring to you. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break with the full details. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
I just wanted to jump in to talking about today. As you know that it was my back to school giveaways today, the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. And I kind of was expressing to you guys that, I was feeling kind of sad, and I still am feeling a little bit down because I feel like last year, I forgot that COVID had us down for 2 years. 2019, when I did the back to school giveaways, I wanted to come back, more organized and to make it bigger and better. I did everything in my powers to make this event a more organized and a better one. In 2019, when I had like over 500 book bags, I tell myself that this time when I do it again, I want to have more to give, and I want to make it more organized, and I want to do it better. Of course, I had more to give this time, and I did, get more organized. We printed armbands and we gave it out to people before they enter the venue, and what the plan was for us to issue the armbands, give them the vouchers, and then we'll cut the armbands when they're exiting. However, multitude of people came out, again greater than we expected. And even when getting involved with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, just to ensure like people's safety and the event running smoother than it did before, it was still a task. It was a lot of chaos. But there's a lot of people that is mad or maybe upset. But personally, within myself, I'm not upset. I understand. That's really what I want to say. I don't want nobody feel like, oh, Spice is mad at you or whatever. I understand, because at the end of the day, I know that people was pushing because they wanted, obviously, to get to the front. I know that people were pushing because, obviously, they wanted that envelope. So I definitely understand. Now it's for me to kind of come back with my group and say, okay, we printed the armbands. We got the security barriers. We got the Jamaica Constabulary Force involved. What more or what else can we do? I mean, in my head, coming when I was driving, to the hotel, I'm thinking, all right, what else me I go do? Because it's either me I go stop or me I go give up, but me's not a person for give up. Me not easy for give up. I just some stay. When the challenges come, I always try to find a way to fix it. So now I'm here and I want us to come together. People can, share their thoughts and their views, because I can't do it alone. I'm just one person, and in my head I'm thinking, should I find a way how to make there be an exit an entrance and an exit, and then people just leave rather than having a big gathering, because I know that I have a huge following. So obviously, if I announce something, there's going to be a large turnout. So I think we kind of passed that stage where me can't expect small amount of people. But I'm just not mad. I just want us to chime in and say, oh, we can do this together. So, like I said, you know, me alone can't do it. All of us have to come together and do it. I'm just one person. And me alone never do it. There's people that was there giving their help and their support. There's so many people for me to give thanks to. Even on my, where's my other phone? Even on my Instagram page, I have my other phone here, that I want to give thanks to a few people that made their donation, you know, from my Instagram page. And it don't matter how small it was. So it started from Chin Wendy, thank you for your donation. Kelly Salvari, thank you. Vanessa White, thank you. Tamara Haynes, thank you. Robert Kenner, thank you for your donation towards the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. Kian, I receive your donation. Thank you. And these are like people that did my Cash App, they did my PayPal. Some people send $50, some people send $40, some people send $30. You have people that send $20. At the end of the day, I'm not making mention of the small amount. It's the thought that counts. And I want you to know that you are appreciated. The vouchers was purchased. Your input was appreciated. And, you know, I'm just super happy that everybody chimed in and did their part. Now we want to see how we can make it better, because we still have to continue to make it better. Shandice Burke, thank you for your donation. Rashina Bowen, thank you for your donation. Anita Simone, Mr. Brown, Richian Jackson, that's Rich Rush. She's also my travel agent. You know, anytime you're going to look where I'm going, got a nice place there, I find Rich Rush, yeah. And she can find you anywhere in the world. Sort you out nice and proper. She made a huge donation. Richie and Jackson, big up yourself. Fitzroy Cope, thank you so much. Melody, thank you for your donation. What is KRY? Did that not cry? Cry spell with K? Anyway, KRY, you know your name. The last name is Claire, and you spell it Claire with, and again with a K instead of a C. So Cry Claire, I guess that's your name. I receive your donation. Thank you so much. Lake, thank you for your donation to the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. Shanae Henry, I receive your donation. Doc Jacqueline, thank you so much. Nashana Allison, thank you for your donation. Shakira, or Shakiri, thank you so much for your donation. Dalan Jones. Oh, Daylan, that's an Epic Jones from UK, the DJ. He made a donation. Thank you so much. Ruth Noons, thank you. Simone Hamilton, big up yourself. Me and you have the same last name, Hamilton. Thank you for your donation. That was not a donation. Althea, thank you so much. Sean Willie, thank you. Shanisa Garner, thank you. And Angel Naya, thank you. Jasmine Davis, no. Who's this? Jadine Smart, thank you so much. Angel Maxwell, Jessica, thank you. Alicia Wakefield, thank you. Anita Simone, thank you so much. Levia DM, thank you so much. Camille, thank you for your donation. Deidre Channer, thank you. Antina James, thank you. Tanisha, I receive a donation. Simone, thank you so much for your donation. Yolanda, thank you. Tania, thank you. P. Monique Haynes, thank you. Hines, that is. Thank you so much. Who else is this? And I think that was it. These are people who was sending, like, when I made my post and I was telling everybody to jump in, there's a lot of people that was like donating, whether $20, whether $50. People were sending. So you all made a difference and you are appreciated, and I thank you. Jada Kingdom, good body Jada Kingdom, thank you for your donation. We received over $100,000 from Jada Kingdom. And the reason why I was sad and the reason why I feel disappointed is because even though I went with over $5 million worth of vouchers, I still have vouchers leave back, and mothers left without vouchers. That's why I feel some kind of way. Because in my head, I said, Jano, so many people came out from early. People was pushing. There was chaos. Yes, it is true. People fainted in the audience. It was a huge audience. The outside was hot, obviously. People waiting for a long time. But I personally say I'm not mad because the rich people never out there. Them Afi had wanted to be out there standing in the sun and waiting for the vouchers. And I'm sad that they came and that they left. And I'm still with the vouchers. And I was trying to take the mic to talk to them, to tell them, say, look here, calm down. I have the vouchers here. So that's why I want to show it. The vouchers were separated in like units, 100, 50, 50. This is one set. This is another set. This is another set. This is another set. And I can go on, and I can open the vouchers, open the envelope, and show them as well. I keep take the microphone and I keep talk to them, and I say, guys, calm down. We have enough. We have enough so everybody could get. You don't need to push. But no, it's like, I understand. That's why I'm saying I'm not coming here aggressively to say, Lord, I don't do this, I don't do that, I don't never that. Listen. It's just for me and my team to come back now and say, okay, how can we make sure that when them come, it's just a single file and them take it and go. Because all the vouchers are here and you guys came and left without it because there was a chaos, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force advised us that we would have to stop because people start pushing, and there was kids there. There was kids in the audience, and people health come first. So there's absolutely no way I could be still giving out vouchers when people in the audience is fainting. These are vouchers. Yeah. We all have to come together with a solution. Me alone can't do it. So who ever go and feel like say, who not go send me do this, I'm going to do that. I did absolutely everything in my power to make sure that the event was a huge success. I tried my best. I rented over 50 security barricades. I hired the security team. The Jamaica Constabulary Force came on board. They gave us the permit and the permission, to keep it at the Oak Gardens. See the voucher them, yeah? They're all here. They're still all here. And I was trying to explain to people, say, calm down, let us find a solution to give up the vouchers. But I had to stop because people help come first and there was kids there. I had to stop. So I don't want to feel like the envelope them empty. So anybody have a suggestion? Come because we have to figure this out. And now all the mothers them leave. And on September morning, the vouchers are here. They are all here. I keep take the mic and I tell you now. But we don't know if we never believe. So I want to see it for themselves. They say go to some of the churches and let us go there and collect it. That's a good idea. I was planning to go to some of the schools because I'm sure that the teachers there, no parents that is in need and no parents that, is coming there without books. So I was planning to go to some of the schools. But look at all of these vouchers. And let me tell you, this is vouchers that I had on myself personally. My sister still have vouchers. There's other people on the committee that had vouchers. So, what me going to do with all of them money when I already spent up and buy voucher? I keep telling people, calm down. Make we get through this together. I had to leave the venue before it ended for people's safety because I never feel unsafe. Me know people not do me nothing. But there's kids in the crowd. People started fainting. People was really fainting in the audience. And that's why I'm feeling sad because I did this for my birthday because I feel like it would have made me happy. The vouchers are here. Somebody said, try another parish spice. Somebody said, come to St. Anne's. The vouchers, them there. Put down. See them here. Millions of dollars was spent on these vouchers. Millions of dollars. Oh, I don't want to forget. This package came to me from Burger King. I was thanking Burger King when I was on stage, but I want to also make this special announcement that this package came to me from Burger King, and these are this is what I want, for company that we support to come back and support us, because at the end of the day, we go eat at burger them and them something there. So when Burger King sent this envelope, it warmed my heart. So guys, continue to support Burger King. I don't even know what's in there. Me and you are pull it together. But I'm just trying to show you that there's companies there that really love and care about us and is willing to give back. But we have to come back on a better behavior. It doesn't make sense that we're pushing and trying to cause a chaos. So thanks again to Burger King. I still have your envelope, and I'm super excited that you came on board with us. And I'm going to make sure that these are given out. Yep. This is amazing. This is super amazing. Big up to Burger King, Popeyes, and Little Caesar. This is amazing. Look at that. Yeah, it's like it just made me feel sad for the mothers, but we're gonna find a way to make this bigger and better and more organized as we go. But I had to stop issuing out the envelopes because there was too many people, and I kept telling them, I kept taking the mic, I kept saying, you don't have to push, you're going to get an envelope. But I guess they never believed me, and see, I'm left back with all the envelopes and all the vouchers. So again, big up Burger King and big up Popeyes and big up Little Caesar Pizza. Make sure that's where you eat and support, because of them I support. I have a package here from them, and I'm going to make sure that we the mothers and the children get it. So that was from Burger King and Popeyes. What am I going to do with the envelope? Let's talk about this now. How do I donate? From time to time, I'm going to post the bank account that we have for the foundation. It is a registered company as well, so we do have a bank account. What I'm going to also do, I'm going to set up a GoFundMe. I'm going to start from this year, collecting from this year for next year, so that I can make it bigger, because I think there's no secret out there. When you realize the amount of thousands of people will come out when it's a back to school, and again, I can't do it by myself. We all have to do it together. Go to the most needed schools. Check your DM Spice. Can you go and give away in St. Anne? Next garden for parents. Multiply it by the 14 parishes. Let them use the same armband that was given to pick up. That would be amazing, because there was people that came out from as early as 7 a.m. this morning. I don't know if they cut off the armbands as yet, but maybe if them cut it off, them probably still have it in their position. So that's also still a good idea. I can distribute it to certain places and have them bring that armband to get it. Give them the opportunity first. That's also a good idea. Thank you, Bestie, for that one. I think that's a good idea. Find a way to spread it around the 14 parishes. Can I have one, please, Spice? I am a single mother. Top Girl 25, send me a DM. That's no problem. Come to Old Arbor. But I think you should do it in a way, instead of letting everyone come in all at once. You need to start it earlier. Give the children who lost their parents. Give the children in the homes. Let the teachers email the students to come and pick them up. Yeah, like the tax officer. Send it to a tax officer or the passport office. Check your DM, please. I still believe you should give it to them, different schools, and allow the schools to distribute them. Go into each parish. Come to Clarendon, please. Maybe do it parish by parish. Send them to all parishes. Tell them to the church in each parishes. Being on stage with you was the best. Come into Maypen, please. Oh, I love Spice. I love you too, guys. take numbers or something. What about the students who came from what? That one, oh yeah, you guys are typing fast. See my eye dazzle. Don't give the government official schools are better. Allow the kids to enter based on their age group. I can distribute it in St. Elizabeth for you, Spice. Remember, Alcavida water. Thank you so much. You kept everyone hydrated. I got to take time out to say big up to Alcavida water. They kept the people them really refreshed with the water. As I tell you that it was so many people that came out. And yeah, you know, I told you what happened in the audience to some people. So we have to big up Alcavida water who came on board and was just distributing water. Because yes, we have to keep the people them refreshed. Oh my God, so beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, man, guys, send up the suggestions. Spice for Prime Minister. Use the bands. Once for the armbands is finished, when they receive the envelope, cut off the armband. That's what we were trying to do today. Just like a stage show, them get them armband and you're letting 20 persons alone at a time. That's a good idea. Accountability is everything. Make sure them sign when them come get them voucher. I really need one, please. Buy some textbook and send it to school. Give it out in the schools is a good idea. Yeah, so I mean, I'm left back with all of this. And if we start check, I'm sure this is going to be a whole lot of money right here. Because these are worth $5,000. Count with me, 5,000. That's a $10,000. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. This alone a 100,000. Look at how thin this is. So I just want you to imagine, I probably have $1 million worth of something as I left back. This alone is worth $100,000. And look how many envelopes I have. And this is one of the reasons why I feel sad. Because if you came today and saw the amount of children and parents that was there that should have been at home with this, waking up in the morning to buy supplies and stuff for school, I'm left with it because of the chaos. That's not what I wanted. So yes, I do feel a little bit sad, and I am going to find a way how to fix it. But I just wanted to just come live real quick to just explain to you guys what happened and just to tell everybody thanks. And also to let you know that I'm not mad at anyone. I understand. I love you guys still. I truly appreciate everyone that came on board and support Magnum Tonic Wine. You were the first company to call me and give a check for $1.5 million. That for me goes, you know, I'm lost for words. Like, that is just amazing as a company. So big up to Magnum Tonic Wine. That is why Magnum is the only thing I drink right there. So someone said, can I get one please? Have an entrance and an exit gate with 2 of your workers. Once they receive the voucher, they go out. That's my idea. That's what I think of. That's what I thought about. So thank you for that. I think that's a very good input. Can I get one? Well, guys, it's all yours. It's still here for you to get. We just got to find a better way how to issue the rest that we have. We did manage to issue out a few today. We gave away some. As I told you, we did have a lot of vouchers. But, you know, unfortunately, I'm still left back with some. And that's how it goes. I still love you guys. I understand. I appreciate it. When I went there, I told people that, you know, I was once in the position that the mothers are out there today are in. So I get it. And my mother was in a position that the mothers that came out today is actually in. So I understand. I want to thank everyone, all the companies that contributed. Dream Weekend, we have donations from Dream Weekend, over $200,000. Where's my phone again? Let me go back, because I like to give thanks to people who really support. So big up to Dream Weekend. I hope I didn't forget to say thanks to anyone. Kingston Bookshop. All of these vouchers are from Kingston Bookshop. My first transaction with them was, you know, it's $3 million. And when I purchased the voucher, for $3 million. They donated on top of the $3 million, so we got extra vouchers that was worth maybe $300,000 or $500,000. So thank you so much to Kingston Bookshop for coming on board and getting these vouchers out for me so swiftly, so quickly, for the mothers. I truly appreciate you, and we're going to find a way how to distribute this the best way that we can. So big up to Kingston Bookshop for these vouchers. Yeah, Great Island, we spoke about that. Big up Sparky Baby, of course. Living Room Bar and Dining, that's on 20 Eastwood Park Road. Thank you so much for your donation. We love you and appreciate you. And guys, I'm going to try to shower and shake off this energy of feeling sad that my mother's was left, without no voucher. And it's gonna be my birthday in a few hours. Woo! August 6th is my birthday, guys. It's counting down. We're rounding it up. Somebody said, come to Barbados. Can I get one, please? I really need. We're definitely going to give these out, guys. I love you. I love you guys. Love you guys. And like I said, I'm not going to stop. I'm going to try to make it bigger and better every year as we go by and more organized. Thanks again to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. They were amazing today. They helped me out extremely a lot. Police officers was leaving the venue with people who was, fainting or passing out because of the capacity. So I really, really want to big up the Jamaica Constabulary Force. They did an amazing job today. I truly love you guys. Thank you. Together we're stronger. Don't feel free to leave your comments and let me know how better you think we can issue these out, as well as for next year how we can make it more better and more organized. I love you guys. Shout out to everyone on the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. Fenice Hamilton, my sister, I could not have done this without you. I love you dearly. Aisha, Ray Alexander from Cool Booking Agent, and your beautiful wife Dev. Thank you guys. Who else? My Love and Hip Hop family. Carly, thank you for coming. Mida, thank you for coming. Estelita, thank you for coming. Who else? There's so many other people. So many people on this team. Angel, oh my God, my friend from Miami. She was in those emails replying to you guys tirelessly for nights, sending out information. Thank you to Angel. Stacy Strong. Woo! I should have write a list. There's so many people that is behind the scenes helping to make this possible. Big up to Stacey Chung. Big up to Angel. Yeah, I know there's other people out there. The name's not coming. Yeah. Jada Kingdom, Mrs. Say just live. Me tell the people them twinkle. Me tell the people them twinkle. Say you make the kids them have book and pencil twinkle. Yes, twinkle. Yeah, girl. Jada Kingdom, I just said that she joined. I was telling you that I was so appreciative when she came on board and made her huge donation. So big up, you don't know. And her song is out today. Make sure you support our song. Our song drop, our song out. So make sure you support GPP. Somebody text me. Can I just set up in a room for okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to get ready for my birthday. It's coming up in a few hours. Leo Gang, Leo season, August 6th is my birthday. And I'm super happy. I'm super excited. My eyes and bread, I haven't slept. But yeah, again, we're going to figure out how to get these vouchers out to everyone out there. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Big up to everyone from Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. Jada Kingdom say happy birthday, my love. Love you, Twinkle. Yeah, make sure to stream our song out now. I have a few songs out as well, but that's for a whole different live. I just came to tell you guys thank you and that I'm not mad at you. We are definitely going to figure this out together.